India's space sector has achieved a historic milestone as Chennai-based startup Agnikul Cosmos has touched new heights with the successful launch of its Agniban sorted suborbital technological demonstrator rocket on May 30. After overcoming 4 previous attempts, the Agniban rocket took flight from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, marking an achievement for the young team of the engineers at Agnikul. The Agniban rocket is a single-stage rocket powered by a semi-cryogenic engine using a commercially available aviation turbine fuel, essentially kerosene and medical-grade liquid oxygen, which is developed entirely in India and assembled at Agnikul's facilities within IIT Madras with the support of InSpace and ISRO. Now let us understand what are cryogenic engines. Cryogenic word is derived from the Greek word kairos, means old or freezing, and gene means burn or produce. A cryogenic engine is a rocket engine that uses a cryogenic fuel and oxidizer, meaning that both of these components are liquefied gases that are kept at extremely low temperatures. The process of using rocket propellants as a cryogenic temperature is known as cryogenic technology. Due to the use of propellants at extremely low temperature, however, a cryogenic engine is more effective and produces more force per kilogram of cryogenic propellant used than other types of propellant such as solid and liquid propellant rocket engines. The Agniban rocket is capable of carrying up to 300 kg payload to a 700 km high orbit and weighs 575 kg and is 6.2 meters long. The launch of the Agniban rocket has garnered widespread praise from the government officials and industry experts. Srinath Ravichandran, co-founder and CEO of Agnikul Cosmos, expressed his gratitude and pride, stating, "This is the culmination of thousands of hours of reviews and hard work by the team. We are blessed to have had the opportunity and the full support of InSpace and ISRO to design and build original space-worthy hardware in India." This launch is significant since it is India's first launch from a private launch pad and the first single-piece 3D printed engine designed and built indigenously. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to social media X to congratulate Agnikul Cosmos on their remarkable achievement, hailing it as a momentous occasion for India's space sector. ISRO too lauded the success of the mission, highlighting the significance of the first ever controlled flight of a semi-cryogenic liquid engine realized through additive manufacturing. With India's space industry poised for rapid growth, Agnikul Cosmos stands at the forefront of innovation, blazing a trail for future generations of space enthusiasts. With such a fast pace of development and achievement in space sector of India, the time is not so far that people will see more companies like SpaceX emerging from India. Keep watching our channel Click India for more news updates. Thank you.